on my phone though. Right.
Meron? Uwian na. Ang taas kasi paakyat. Paakyat guys. Sobrang taas nga lang. Sobrang taas.
We don't know naman kasi kung saan banda yung puwan.
Saan?
Yung sinasabi mo. So, one at a time. Pag nakarating tayo doon,
Masakit ng muscle.
I mean, ito ko kasi
It's so hard to walk.
yeah.
Parang yung nagtatato yun, oh. Siya ba yun? Diba?
Saan?
Yung matanda, yung sa picture. Sa Baguio.
Not really. Looks like, but hindi siya yun.
Okay. Let's go up. Oh, free wifi.
Mamaya,
Yeah?
picturean doon kung kaya niya. Sa may motorcycle.
Mm-mm.
Doon. Nagaano na yung puso ko.
Ayun. Kasi nga. Teka, rest.
Diyan no. Magtingin-tingin tayo doon.
Okay.
Looking wallet. 20,000 by one. Looking ba nag-git suba? Looking ba raw by di?
Dash natin.
Looking like
Yan, saan?
looking like
Oh, let's see.
no. You're looking like Vietnam. Yeah. Girl.
Ano yun?
You're very book for now.
Head, head. Oh. Kasi nila?
How much?
50,000 đồng for one. Hai zero. You can
Oh.
here mục giao people make by hand. Yeah. By tree. 100,000 đồng by tree.
Ay, pag tatlo. Okay naman ba siya?
No, no, no.
Ah, that's okay. We just, no, we just eat. We just eat. We just eat it there.
You can try the flower tea. Flower tea.
Oh, no, no.
Flower tea. Signature way, no sugar. Syrup.
No, no, no. She don't like
Just one.
No.
Sweeter,
Ah,
sweeter.
no.
Ah,
I'm
no.
eating.
Look for people high sugar and look for liver. They use for healthy. No sugar.
Yeah.
You can try Korea.
What is this one? Which one is this one?
Flower tea. Signature.
This one is this one?
Here's a scent. And big size, small size. Secret. You can eat with the secret.
No sugar.
Secret.
Oh, this one can travel?
Philippine okay Yeah, okay And airport okay
Airport.
Airport okay Yeah.
So how much is it?
50,000 dong for one. Yeah. Then put in small tea and hot water. Okay.
Yeah.
1 liter hot water.
Minsan.
Yung date you want?
Yung may dates.
Maybe?
Here the same tea. And mix flower. Here mix 5 flower. Here mix 11 flower. Here good for sleep and good for liver and good for people high sugar.
This one?
Here the same good for liver and good for sleep and good for people high sugar and good for eye and good for healthy and good
This
for
one kasi may
skin.
red taste.
Yeah.
So this one how much?
Here 60. Here
Why
50.
this one?
Here 50. Here big size and small size.
How much this one?
60. Yeah.
This one not 50.
Yeah, here 50, here 80, here mix 11 flower. You can try,
No, we don't really.
you can try. Yeah. You can try.
That one you give me 50.
Huh?
50. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, just get one. No, I'm not eating candy. No.
No, no.
Thank you.
Yes. Put in small tea. Yeah.
Just yeah. Mano ko na 50 na.
You can try macaroni.
No. It's okay. I know lah. I know tomato. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Madam here.
We're okay about that.
30 okay.
How much?
30 okay.
30 okay?
30 and 50 and 80 okay. 50 total okay. Okay, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Okay, Sapa here very good. 50,000. Okay, orang tu chain ha. Chain 20,000 na.
Thank you so much.
No.
We just
eat.
Thank you, Sita.
Bye.
you okay na?
Maganda rin to kay Anse.
Kaya nga, yung sabi niya.
Yeah.
Kasi may honey na siya dun.
Hindi matamis to. Ang sarap.
Oh.
Lalagyan lang ng tubig.
Now you can
Parang
see.
tea.
You can see. You can see.
Oh.
Ano yun?
Yan, itong lakbag kasi ganito lang
Hey,
na.
motorbike?
Motorbike?
Ano? Ano sabi mo?
Itong black bag.
Oh,
Itong ano.
itapon. Can we stop by?
Ha?
We stop by. We stop by that way. Ano yan?
Ito ba?
Hello.
Hah?
Hello, Santi. Oke deh, sila.
This one, ha?
Magkano din?
70, ano siya? 50. Pansiban, Sabat.
No, 40 nga lang dun sa kwan. Sa pansipan, di ba?
Oo. Mas mahal dito?
Ha?
Mas mahal dito?
Yo.
There's a thing for me. Hello.
Ayan, picture. Come on. Please.
Hello.
Yung picture natin.
Hello. Itu vai siapa? Mau bay con chút cái gì? What the? Chụp oh.
Wala pa nga. Ang pala yan, eh.
Pero nga sila yung maliliit eh. Saan ba yun? Yung native.
Ito, tanongin mo akong magkano yan.
So, kasyo?
Oo.
O ganyan?
Yan, di ba yun yung kinakain ko?
Kaya nga lang pagkain.
Cheesy. Taon lang naman.
For bracelet. Can you look at like this one for bracelet silver? Look at this one for bracelet really beautiful. You buy one? Okay, this one.
Are you going?
This one can I show you? For bracelet for very good silver. You look at.
Yeah.
Cái môn thẻ vòng đây ngay chị ơi. Môn thẻ vòng bạc cái thẻ đeo không? Thẻ vòng tay bắt tay đeo. Cho nên chị mấy cái này đều là
Yeah, I'm glad that everyone's taking pictures because I think kalahati na siya dito na.
Oo, hindi na siya makan.
Bạc này nó không như bạc này, nó chỉ trắng thôi.
Nakit na natin yung matirik na.
Oo.
Doon sa may kawayan.
Đi vào thay nó dép đi.
Hindi mo masyadong nararamdaman yung pagod.
I know.
Okay yung may warmer na sa pa.
Oo, hindi masyadong ano.
Sure ako. Agarwood. Hello? Agaut. Agaut. Please enjoy.
Ano yun? Dito?
How much that one? How much is it? 500? 1,700. Yeah. Good for health. And good luck. Yeah. How about this small one? Yeah. How much is it? 400. Yeah, small. Huh?
You want it? No, it's okay. Thank you. I will do. Do you want? Huh? Do you want? I want the pig. Okay, natin. You asking me and then I tell you, of course I want that.
Ayaw mga Pilipino bumiling ganito at Chile.
Ha? Ayaw.
150k.
Oo.
So, magkano siya? Kasi yung cellphone ko.
Kasi yung bili ko na isang box is 42.
Ha?
$42 yung bili ko nung yung malaki. Ay, yung medium.
So, bale, magkano? Ay. 150. Ay.
It's kidding.
30 peso. Ay, HK din ah.
Mas mura na. Ay, pero malaki. Malaki kasi yan.
Ito naman siya.
Yun kasi maliit. Parang half niyan.
Yan. Ha? Wala akong naging kwento kahapon tol. Muli kami di pansipan, nagigila nga tuwan niya bundok ay. Nasamit ko ha. Nag-train kami pa nga to.
Tại như thế là mình ẩm
Ôi,
không
ông
biết.
đi cặp ai?
Bây giờ ăn của tắt lột.
Nhiều người dài lắm, có tiền.
Đi ăn đợt đấy đi ăn từ năm ngoái năm nay.
Pero nakakabig di ba bagamen? Na namading kaya tikwa. Namading na kaya ti Adikes day kapapan. Nadating heart condition mo kasi.